Hey guys, so today's tutorial is going to be my everyday smoky eye. It's just a little bit of simple glam on the days that I'm in a hurry. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm first starting off with my Milani eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. And I'm not going to set it because I'm already using very light colors, a white and a gray from this popfeel eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take my Knickknack round eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to mix this white color and also a very light grayish silver color, and it's gonna create like very simple smoky eye. I'm also going back over the other eyelid a little bit with the two colors because I felt like they were showing up more on my other eyelid for some reason. So I'm going over all of the edges and blending it out so that I can ensure that it's going to be neat. I'm also wiping the edges a little bit away too because some of the shadow was kind of going over too much. Now with my Tracy jumbo eyeliner in black, I'm going to go along the lower lash line and create like a thick kind of line. And then I'm also going to go in with my clean color pencil brush. And we're just going to smoke out the lower lash line with the silvery gray color. And this is going to make it very smoky and give it a simple but dramatic look. So I really love this look because not only is it simple, but it also makes your eyes open really wide in the morning when you're still like just getting up and you're tired and all of that. For mascara, I'm taking my Essence The False Lashes Extreme Volume and Curl. I was really into this mascara for a long time. I was using it a lot because it really does curl the lashes and spreads them out a lot. Now I'm taking my Forever 21 blush, and with my Storybook Cosmetics Rose brush, I'm just going to blush up my cheeks a little bit. And to finish the look, I'm taking my Velvetines liquid lipstick by Lime Crime and Suede Berry, and I'm just going to pop this on my lips. And this pretty much completes my everyday smoky eye look. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!